So a smile makeover can mean a lot of things. When we're looking at someone and what kind of change they want to make, it depends on how many teeth they want to change, what is the change they want to make, and what is the material that we're going to use. Right? It could be down to just a couple of fillings, it could be Invisalign, it could be veneers. All those can classify as a smile makeover. But what are the right tools that are needed for them to get the outcome that they're wanting? And that's what I love, to look at this as a puzzle, right? Something that we have all these different tools, but what is best for them? When we're really able to understand what the patient wants, then we can choose what the outcome will be based off, those results. And that is how we create a smile makeover. So what creates a natural looking smile? What we've done is we've gone and I've actually studied nature and what is beauty. And when we look at nature, there's actually a lot of things that aren't perfect but are beautiful. And so when we look at veneers and the way that we handcraft them, we look at not just creating perfection or just perfect color, but how do we create the inconsistencies within a beautiful, perfect smile? And I think that that's what creates natural beauty. Whenever things are too perfect, it creates a fakeness to it. And so what we've done is we've added color to the veneers, we've added translucency, we've added texture and character that isn't perfect, but creates flow and creates consistency throughout the smile. So all those little design factors and understanding of how those work in a smile makeover are what we put into our harmony veneers. So a couple things that I really like to think about when I'm creating this smile is how long do we make the front teeth? Then do we add a short step on the laterals? And how sharp do we make the canines? So these are all things that people can have a preference on. But if we can really make the lengths exactly consistent throughout the smile and the way that they flow together, it creates this natural beauty for the patient. Now, each patient can have the way that they want it done, but the way that we are able to do it for that person and make it unique is how we're able to create these natural smile makeovers for the patient. So patients often come to me with huge desires. And a lot of times people say, I want the Hollywood smile. And what I try to help them understand is Hollywood smiles mean big, fake, and white. And so if we can understand, well, is it really that big, fake, white smile you want? Or do you want something that is custom to you? Is there something where we look at your natural teeth and we say, hey, I like this aspect of this and that? And then we can mimic that within the porcelain veneers. So it's really helping them understand that what is beauty, or what do they feel is beauty, instead of what is everyone else telling them is beautiful. And when we can be able to craft natural veneers, it will last longer because for the most part, they're getting something that allows them to feel youthful and feel confident versus something that is fake and something that is something else. And so when we're able to sit down and design that with them and really show them the opportunities and what's possible, they always want the natural veneers. They want something that they know is going to last and it's going to be custom for them. So oftentimes patients come to me and wanting the perfect smile. And there are ways that we can get close to perfection, but understanding that we can create natural smiles, and that natural doesn't always mean perfect. And so what we do is we discuss the limitations of their smile. We discuss the look and the shape of where they're at right now and what changes we want to make. Now, when we think about perfection, everyone searches for perfection. But when we're looking at a smile, it's not always perfection that we're searching for. It's confidence. It's about beauty. And their beauty can mean something else than just perfection. And so we want to understand little details that are going to allow them to feel that that is perfect for them. Because every person's smile is unique and different, which means that every smile is not perfect, because otherwise everyone would have the same smile. So I had a patient come to me who had gotten veneers just a couple months ago, and they were beautiful veneers for what we were looking at, but they didn't like it themselves. And really what happened was there was attention to detail that was missed based upon what the patient really wanted. And so what we did was we were able to create similar veneers that had the little changes of attention to detail that that person cared about, right? It came down to a little bit of translucency and the way that we showed that translucency, right? Not just being overly aggressive or creating bulbous areas, but being able to make it look natural and blend in, as well as creating the brightness that again shows for good in pictures and in lighting, but also was able to not appear fake and show too much that people could tell she had veneers. When we were able to really look at the before and after of her smile, it was amazing to see how the little upgrades and the changes we were able to make were slight but massive for her when it came to her confidence in what she wanted.